Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will show you how to automatically upload completed BoldSign documents from BoldSign to Google Drive through Zapier. BoldSign's integration with Google Drive through Zapier simplifies document management by automating the process of storing and accessing completed documents in the cloud. This integration removes the need for manual intervention, making document handling more efficient and ensuring that completed documents are securely saved. It also provides easy retrieval of documents, even if they are accidentally deleted from the BoldSign account. For added convenience, a pre-configured Zap template is available within the BoldSign Zapier integration to set up this automation smoothly. To start this process, you need a Zapier account and an active BoldSign account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free BoldSign account now. Let me walk you through a practical example. Imagine an attorney at a law firm uses BoldSign to manage client contracts and legal documents. By integrating BoldSign with Google Drive via Zapier, the attorney automates cloud storage for completed documents, ensuring secure backup and easy retrieval of deleted documents. This setup allows quick access to critical documents for case reviews or client consultations. Let's create the Zap. There is a pre-configured Zap template for this scenario. The first step is to access the Upload New Completed BoldSign Documents to Google Drive page and click the Try This Template button. This action directs me to the Zap creation page. I add the Zap title to this page. In the Trigger section, the BoldSign app is set as the trigger app by default, but this can be changed if needed. In the Trigger Event field, Document Completed is set as the trigger event. I can also change the trigger event to Document Complete or Document Declined options from the drop-down menu. I proceed to connect to my BoldSign account and click Continue. Next, in the Admin Mode field, select Yes from the drop-down menu to grant full document access, manage permissions, organize files, and automate workflows. I then proceed to test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. The details of the most recently completed document are displayed. I click Continue with the selected record to finish setting up this section. In the Action section, the Google Drive app is set as the default action app, but this can be changed if necessary. The Upload File option is the default action event, but can be changed to add file sharing preference, copy file, create files from text, and more. I connect to my Google Drive account and click Continue. In the Configure section, I specify the drive and folder where I want to save the completed BoldSign documents. The File field is mapped by default, and I leave it as it is. I then map the required fields. Convert to Documents. This enables one to decide if the documents are to be converted to editable form. I then proceed to the file name and file extension fields. Once done, I click Continue. Next, I test the action to ensure it functions correctly. When the test fails, an error alert is provided that notifies you of the failed test. Once tested, the recently completed BoldSign document will be uploaded to the designated folder in Google Drive. I then publish the Zap by clicking the Publish button, and the Zap is automatically turned on. When a new document is completed in the BoldSign account, it will automatically be uploaded to Google Drive in the specified folder. That is all about automatically uploading completed documents in BoldSign account to Google Drive using Zapier. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.